I am so bored. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, stop that. We are all bored.
So, what do you want to do today?
I don't know. We always do the same things. We could go out.
Where? The mall? The park?
What if we go somewhere different?
Different how?
A place that doesn't exist on the map.
That sounds impossible.
Let's go!
Okay, this is not what I expected. It's quieter than I thought.
12.
Wow! Look at the sign.
12? What?
27.
Did I do that?
27?
Why 27?
I don't think it's random.
34.
What? This place reacts. To what? Movement.
It's counting forward. But not always.
Let's do it. Whoa!
Don't touch anything.
Too late! 58? We're past 50 now.
70, 75, 80.
What? It's speeding up.
Or we are?
Okay, that was not normal.
Everything was numbers.
And they kept changing. From 1 to 80.
To 100.
Maybe we should practice.
Practice what?
Numbers from 1 to 100. Let's go.
1. 2.
3.
4.
5.
Good. 6. 7. 8.
9. 10.
Ooh.
11.
12.
13.
14.
See? Normal.
28.
29.
We skipped a lot.
Did we?
33.
43.
That wasn't next.
52. 57.
65.
76. It's choosing.
Or remembering.
87.
95. 99.
100.
We reached 100.
That already came out.
Dice don't repeat like that.
255.
That not possible.
0.
We are back at the beginning.
11.
12.
13.
14.
95. 96.
97.
98.
99.
So far, we studied numbers in English.
We practiced pronunciation, counting, and recognizing numbers. Now we're going to do a quick activity to check your listening. I will say a number and you have to circle the correct one.
Let's start. My phone number is 30. I am 17-year-old. The price is $50. We have 19 students.
The address is 14. The book is $20. The bag is $60.
Call me at 19. She is 13 years old. The address is 40 Main Street.
The book is $32.
Call extension 59.
The classroom is 28. I live at 64 Green Street. The office is 91. The shirt is $45.
Let's do another exercise. Look at the picture and answer. How many people are in the living room?
Yes, 5.
How many boys are there? Correct. There are 10.
How many girls are there? Exactly, there are 2.
How many people are sitting on the sofa?
Good answer. There are 6. How many windows are there? You got it. There are 7.
How many pillows are there? Spot on. There are 5.
Well, that's all for today.
We learned numbers in English.
Numbers are very important.
Yes, ages, phone numbers, prices. Keep practicing your numbers.
See you in the next
lesson.
Goodbye.
Subscribe to learn more English with us.
Like this video. Bye.